guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. Up first, you would have seen our special guest, Pattie from Let's Pour with Pattie. Absolutely amazing artist. If you guys missed her, there's a link in the description with the play all list. Click on that. That way you get to see her video. Like, share and subscribe. It really helps her out. What I decided to do today was just have a bit of a play. Throw some interference colours down. Do some swipes. Have a bit of fun. You know. So what I'll do is throw on some tunes. Kick back. Relax. And enjoy the ride. See you at the end.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. if I thought I could. I'm a sucker for adrenaline, every villain is. Everybody trying to change my ways, but I live just to see you break. I'm a sucker for adrenaline, every villain is. You take the high road, I'll take the low. Everyone lies cause everyone knows. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Oh, a little bit bad. Feels good to be a little bit bad. I'll admit I'm a little bit wicked. I belong in the grave I'm digging. I live like a villain lives. I come alive when I lose control. Everyone lies just to ease their soul. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Oh. Just afraid to show our colors. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Oh. Calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away. But we will remain. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, 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 long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come, glory to come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. They are just so much fun. Love the way the interference colours pop on the black. They are crazy cool. Give it a go. You'll love it, trust me. Okie dokie. So, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on the name and the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. Or if you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you directly to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart, use the play all list that I put in there each and every week. It plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another, and you never get lost. That's the easy way. Alright guys, thanks again. Have fun. Take care. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Long